Here we go, my people. I'm going to just place my rib into the container where I'm going to pre-boil it in. Just like that. Keep them as straight as possible. It's best for you to have a big enough pan what your rib can lay flat in it like that. And then I'm going to be putting a lot of garlic. I'm going to put in a lot of garlic in it. These are my real garlic. I'm going to use my real garlic into it. Not the garlic powder this time. This is the garlic. You want to make sure when you're pre-boiling, you boil it and let it have a good flavor. So you boil it with a lot of garlic and thyme and also habanero. Just beat your scallion like that.